Good morning, students. Welcome to the physics class. Students, our last topic of this chapter is electric motor. So, what is electric motor? Basically, this is a machine which convert electric energy into mechanical energy. So, principle of electric motor. The principle of electric motor is the force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed inside the magnetic field that we have studied in the earlier classes, that whenever we place a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. Next is the construction. In construction of a motor, we have following components. One is armature coil. This is the coil, basically ABCD coil as shown in the figure. It is a insulated copper wire wound on iron core in rectangular shape. Second is the strong magnet. So we have here magnets which are placed either side of the coil. Here you can see this is bar magnet, this is magnet. Okay? This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Third component is the split ring. You can see here this is the split ring, and it is used to transfer the current from the battery to the coil. In the split ring, we also have brushes. So here B1 and B2 are the brushes. Fifth component is battery, which gives the current to the armature coil. Working is very simple, as you know that when the current flows through a conductor, it experiences force, and the direction of force can be calculated by the Fleming left hand rule. As you can see, the AB conductor, here we have diagram of you can see here AB side of the coil. In the AB side, the current flowing downward, and obviously the magnetic field will flow from north to south pole in this direction. So you can calculate the the force which is experienced by the AB side. So as the current is downward and the magnetic field is from north to south, the force on the AB side will be upward, and on the CD side will be downward. So if we see, this is the AB side and this is the CD side. On this the force will be upward, on this the force will be downward. So this is a couple of force, and it will rotate the coil in the clockwise direction. So how this is how the motor works.